Here's Calvin doing his smile. That's his actual smile. And he was able to explain that he wanted the peanut butter and jelly separate, so both halves not together. And I was glad he was communicating that to me before I put them together. And I didn't understand at first, but he was very calm and patient and said, "No, don't put them together." And then I finally understood what he had been trying to tell me. So the jam is on one piece and the peanut butter is on the other.
Boogie.
Oh, tissue. Here we go. Thank you, sweetheart. My best helper. He's very good about that. Tell me, how much do you love your peanut butter and jelly? That is a lot. What else do you want to say? Is Mommy taking your video?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to say to everybody watching? Is it delicious?